Hello everyone, my name is Sharunas, I'm a mechanical engineer and I'm currently providing engineering design services for individual orders. Countless times I have been asked to design simple and cheap projects, yet the middleman always suffers. From my experience I know less doesn't mean more. I want to make manufacturing drawings that you wouldn't waste your time and money on. I'm asking you to contribute to my campaign and help me improve mini loader I have already designed, so that you will get professional, easy to assemble and inexpensive drawings. My first backers will get drawings at even more affordable cost. All 3D models and drawings to them will be at half price. Also, I have free sample for you to download a simple bucket project for mini loaders. You can cut it with CNC laser or plasma, bend and weld it today. You can read detailed information below this video. If you have additional questions, I will gladly answer them in discussion section or in my portfolio contacts. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you for your time.